Hello everyone, welcome to AGWU Academy. So today we are going to see how to install and set up the MySQL Server latest version. So open Chrome, search for MySQL download, click on the first website, official website. Go scroll down and community downloads. Then click on MySQL installer for Windows. Then click on download. After clicking on download, it will ask you. So click on no thanks, just start one up. Until it is get downloading, you can like, share and subscribe. Run the file. It will take some time. Developer server only, client only, and full. And we are going to do custom download. Then next, click on MySQL server, and then select and drag it, and go to Workbench, drag it. Then go to MySQL shell, then again select it and drag it, then select all these three and click on next, then click on execute to install this file. Then it will take some time to install. After installation is done, so click on next and click on next, and then this is configurations, port number 3306, and click on next. So use a default authentication system, which is password. Enter the password, repeat it, and if you want then you can add username, host, role and another things. So I don't want to do it now, so cancel and click on next. Then again click on next. Will configure and setup, complete the setup automatically. So it's done. Click on finish, then next, then it will open Workbench and shell. After we click on finish, so it is started. Yeah, so click on and then copy paste your password. Okay, so yeah, all done. So yeah, all done. So this is all for today. If you want more videos, like, share and subscribe. We will see you in next video.
Our social media accounts. You can follow and subscribe us on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you. Happy learning.